ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ ಕಿವಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ
ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳ
ಮಾತಾಡಿ 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 ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
Hello friends, so welcome back to the second session of second part of third session in first steps into smart farming. Hope you are fresh with coffee. So this session will discuss about value addition to the existing farm and how cash flow can be increased and what are all the possibilities future ahead for us. So once you have started all this, it is best to extract the maximum. What are all the value additions we can make? See, this, whatever I have already spoken, that is what you grow from the plants, trees, what is the actual agricultural activities. Apart from all these, definitely as a smart farmer, you can have multiple value additions to the existing farm. It's very easy, friends. It's very, very easy because you have all the basic infrastructure. It's only few additions which gives you immense pleasure and income. When I started my farming, I was very passionate about fruits. So whenever I went abroad, wherever I met friends, or whenever I go to any city, town, I would visit a nursery and buy very rare fruit plants. So now I have almost 70 to 80 rare fruit plants from all over the world. Initially, I started as a passion, but slowly I thought, why can't I do something so that it generates some money? So I started a basic plant nursery. Since I had the mother plants of all these fruit plants, as you can see on the screen, very simple structure I put it, very, very simple, without spending much, and started my nursery. Suppose somebody wants to start a nursery, standalone nursery. He has to buy 2 or 3 acres, get it converted, get the bank loans, have the greenhouse, polyhouses, irrigation systems, a supervisor for that. All goes on and on. All the overheads come. But in this scenario, you have all the infrastructure already made for you. It is only the value addition. So you have the mother plants as well. So I started the basic plant nursery. Now I have almost 18 to 20 varieties of fruit plants nurseries, which I supply to many nurseries around Karnataka. My annual turnover from this is around 8 to 10 lakhs. It's a total extra income apart from my regular income. Here you are not spending anything, same supervisor, same workers, same plants. So these are all the simple tips what I'm giving you. This is very, very easy to do. And second thing is, I have seen lot of youngsters going in for dairy. On paper, dairy looks very, very lucrative. You write it on the paper, so many cows, so many liters of milk, so much of expenditure, everything looks very green. Dear friends, believe me, I have seen lots and lots of them are burning their hands. So instead, what I would suggest is you have the space in your farm. So have a simple shed with bamboos and buy around 10 to 12 calves. They are young cows, maybe around 2 to 3 months old. Many will be selling it. The price of that is around 2,500 to 3,000 rupees. A female calf. Buy around 10 to 12 of them. Look after them. They are very pretty. They are like your real pets. Look after them well, and you have lots of green in your farm. Feeding is not a problem. Workers are there. Probably you will have to buy some feeds from outside as well. You have to look after them for next 10 to 12 months. Maximum is 12 months. So they become adults, young adults. That's the time to sell. You have bought it for 2,500 rupees or 3,000 rupees. The expenses incurred is around 10,000 rupees. And at the end of 1 year or 14 months, you will be able to sell it for 50 to 60,000 rupees. So these are all the, so say 12 calves, that's around 40,000 rupees income, around 5 to 6 lakhs. These are all the small value additions what you can easily do in your small farms. And running a small, very economic based homestays or farm holidays, farm stays. A lot of youngsters are interested in farms. They would come and stay, need not be luxurious, don't spend much, but be with them. So it also can add to your funds. If your farm is on the main road or somewhere very close to the main road, you can always have a small coffee shop with very simple bamboos sheds, and you can even sell farm products like how we have done spice mill. You can see on the right hand side, nice neat packing of the spices from your farm. So you can sell these products from your own farm. So you can get the premium for that also. So this also can add to your value addition to the farm. And if you are interested in beehives, it's very, very fun. I am there on the screen with the beehives. It's fun, nice. You have 15, 20 boxes. It's a real value addition to your farm. And apart from that, it pollinates and your farm income also increases. And doing all these things, you are enriching the environment as well. And agri-tourism is one more you can think of. You can contact the nearby lodges or hotels. You can place small brochures, and the tourists can come and visit your farm with an entry fee, so that they can see, go around your farm, and that's also a value addition. And in a small way, you can have greenhouses and grow few vegetables, whatever, in your own setup. So all these things doesn't cost much, but these things can be real value additions. I have given only few examples. There are hundreds. For example, piggery is one of the very interesting, or small goat farming. All these things, it depends on your interest. All these can be undertaken as value addition to your existing farm. Now you have done all this, You have crossed all the hurdles. You are in the green zone. You are having good income from your farm. You have done value additions. So what are the future, what we can think of in this? So one thing is definitely you have the basic idea, you know the management skills, you can definitely expand the horizon. You can have lots of farms. You can expand your farming activity. You can buy farms. And one more thing is you can be an advisor to all the farmers, young farmers, those who wants to begin their career. And you can buy the farm, develop the farm and sell it. And few other things what I have noticed is branding your products. Here on branding is very, very important. Whatever you have grown in your farm, let it be spices, fruits, whatever it is, you have a brand name. So brand your products and sell it for premium. Then once you are stabilized, you have got the grip over it, then you can go in for specializations like organic farming. Organic farming, I'm not very well versed with it, but if you can get good price for your products, that's also a very good area you should look into. Then retailing of your farm products, not necessarily yours. You can sell yours along with all the neighboring village farmers. You can get them and have the retailing venue. And online retailing is one more area you should be thinking of, because a lot of activities are going on online. So you can sell all your products for premium on online. And even the nursery, what you have done, this can be sold online. All these nursery plants can be sold online. And now you have experience of small greenhouses, you can think of mega greenhouses and lots of other agricultural activities like hydroponic farming and advising the kitchen gardens. There's no end to it, dear friends. So all these activities can be undertaken. It's fun, a real fun, and money. And as I said, I have almost 70-80 varieties of fruit plants. Few of them I thought I'll show it to you. So these are all the fruits from my farm. This is Lakshman Phal. This is a Buddha's hand. These are very exotic jackfruits from Thailand. These are water apples, snake fruits, cashew fruits. These are pickled mangoes, breadfruit, butterfruit, custard apples, passion fruits, strawberries. This is a variety of pepper and nutmegs, passion fruits. These are few, but it's very interesting. So thank you very much for joining. And at the same time, I want to thank my son-in-law Manjunath for helping me out in all these computer related, and he's been very handy. And my wife Shambhavi and daughter Chetana and Raghu. Thanks one and all. We have some more time. If we have any questions, probably few we can take. Otherwise, you can send it by mail. Definitely, I'm there to answer all your queries. You can send your telephone numbers. We can discuss few things, and you are free to visit my farm as well on weekends. So if anybody has any questions, whatever I will be able to answer, definitely I'll do.
there any questions?
Are there any questions? The flower, what you seen on the screen, it's a local Malnad flower, which blooms during this year, this time of the year. It's an orchid from the forests of Malnad. It's so beautiful. So thank you very much, friends. Thanks a lot for joining. Once again, thank you.
Thanks, Manja.
Thanks, Errol. Hi. It's not for you, Errol. All
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Manja, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I learned a lot. Thank you.
It's not for you.
Okay, ಬೇರೆ
Okay, okay.
It's not for veterans. It's for beginners.
ಒಂದೇನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Are there any website to read about agriculture material to study? Currently there are not.
Hello.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Yes, Shant Kumar.
So, how do you see very short? Huh? What?
Somebody has asked a question. Is there any websites to read about agriculture? Anybody can go to the YouTube and see lots of there, but very few in Indian scenarios. It's mostly the Western websites, but I'm not very sure. I have not gone through all that. Whatever I have experienced, I have put it across. And somebody has asked about Karnataka government's new rule regarding the Land Amendment Act. That's already through in the session. Only it has to come to the Gazette. Probably if you go through the Karnataka Gazette, you will be able to get that. Are there any more questions?
Manja, what about, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
What about growing vegetables in a commercial way? And what do you think about the marketing also for vegetables?
Yeah, I'm not very well versed with vegetables, Cyril. I'm mostly concentrating on the long-term crops only. For two reasons.
Okay.
First thing is, as a parallel profession, vegetables needs lot of attention day in and day out. So
Okay.
it doesn't suit professionals like us. Here we are discussing only about the professionals taking agriculture as a second line. And regarding the vegetables, probably your farm should be probably near to the city. That's also a criteria we should think of. And really, honestly, I don't have much experience in this field. But as a second profession, I think floriculture and flowers and vegetables probably are not the right crops to choose.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How about converting dry lands into better lands? Because we have dry lands, we
Yeah.
don't have any water source in that area.
Yeah.
So anything you can say about that so that we can think in
The
future
only thing is you have
to improve that.
you have to think of
Water
bore.
level is very
Yeah,
no, sir.
bore
Water level is
you don't
very
have
low.
water
Very low.
sufficient. Yeah, if you do not have sufficient
Hello?
water,
Yes, sir.
the type of
What
crop
crops
I am
can be-
discussing. Sorry, yeah, go on.
Okay. That's what, sir. Like water level is very low. Like few people they tried within a 3 acres of land. They are like getting almost 10 bores have been tried, and they are shifting like submersible motor from one bore to other bore. That has become a big job over there. So I stepped back because I had a thought 2 years back.
Yeah,
So even I have I took some steps, but after looking at the situation around, so
Yeah.
I just kept quiet for a few years.
Yeah.
So then I decided it's better to choose the crop which is suitable for that. But at the same time, ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ like Tunga Etavari Neeravari Yojane, like some things are happening around. So maybe the water level might rise. So let's see. But I'll meet you once personally so that I can
please,
get.
please. But it is not worthwhile taking too much chances.
Not now.
There's no water.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So only I'm waiting for the situation, favorable situation. Let's see.
Okay.
Anyhow,
All the best.
we got person like you, research persons like you. Let's make use of you, sir. It's
All
very
the-
nice to
all the best.
have a different topic. Thank you. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Shall we call it a day?
Yeah. Thanks, Manja.
Yes, sir.
Anything,
Yes, sir.
you.
Thank you so
send it
much.
by mail or you
Thank
can
you.
call me. Thank you very much for joining. Appreciate your.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
so
Thank
much.
you. Bye.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye.